Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on Chevy Cruze guys, and if you have a code such as P0420 guys, stay with us and we'll explain how to fix that code and what is causing that code on your vehicle now. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on that Chevy Cruze and on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful and it will guide you in the right direction to fix the problem on your own and save you quite a bit of money guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, okay, we guys share the links in the description of the video below so you can check out what we're talking about. Usually scanners that we're using guys, I recommend if you're on the market for a good scanner that can read engine codes, airbag, traction control and ABS codes, something like that is amazing, so check it out, we'll have the link. Definitely worth the investment, it can pay itself off in one-time use. So what code P0420 indicates guys? It indicates that the catalytic converter, it's not doing its job. Okay, practically it says that we're putting too much emissions, too much pollution in the atmosphere. Now, it is illegal practically to drive with this code. Why? Because you're polluting quite a bit. Some states do not require emissions, but it's still illegal on federal level guys, and I'll recommend to have that thing addressed as soon as you can. Now, this is your engine on Chevy Cruze, that's 1.8, the 1.4 will be very close procedure as well. This is your exhaust manifold, this is oxygen sensor number 1, or upstream oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor detects how the engine is running and it's adjusting the fuel and the air mixture guys, so the engine can run the best and pollute the less, okay, the least. So less pollutions and more power, so that's what that sensor is doing. This is before the catalytic converter. Catalytic converter is right under that shield plate, okay, it's down there, okay, you can see that that thing is catalytic converter, that whole thing right here. Now you have another sensor guys that is after the catalytic converter that detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job, and this is known as downstream oxygen sensor. That downstream oxygen sensor on Chevy Cruze, it's hard for me to show you. We have a video how to replace it. It's back there, okay, from the back side of the engine. You can see it right here. We have one engine out, okay, right here. I want to show you. That's from another vehicle, but the concept is the same guys. This is your exhaust manifold right here, upstream oxygen sensor, catalytic converter. You have another sensor right here that detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. You can see this is the downstream oxygen sensor. Now guys, if you get code P0420 guys, in very rare cases it could be a bad oxygen sensor, and we have the video on the channel that explains how to test oxygen sensor, so check it out, because that could be the reason. Another one, most common one, your catalytic converter is out guys. Never ever touch it when after driving the car, let it sit for one night, because that thing will reach 1000 degrees guys, even more, and it gets super hot. So how you guys replace those catalytic converters? We have the video on the channel from start to finish, but you have to remove the whole exhaust manifold, you replace it with it. And I know, okay, I'll tell you what I know, but you should never ever do that, okay, because it's illegal. I've seen people, okay, for racing cars that do not have catalytic converters and they want to get rid of that code. There is an extension. We have the video on the we have the link guys in the description of the video below. It's called an extension like that, and you put the extension, then you put your oxygen sensor, and as a result guys, what will happen, it makes it think that the catalytic converter is doing its job. But this is illegal to have guys, and if you get caught, it's a big fine, and you didn't hear that from me, because I will never recommend that. This is just for off-highway use, the one like, let's say, a race car or something like that. So if you get a code P0420 guys, most likely bad catalytic converter, and second reason, it could be a bad sensor, so you need to check that thing out. So hopefully guys, that video will lead you in the right direction to fix that problem. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.